Hi guys, welcome to my washroom. We're gonna get down and dirty. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button in the corner. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove your contact lenses quickly. So before we begin, make sure you have clean hands. Next, I like to use my left hand, use my middle finger, and on the other hand, right hand, use my middle finger and my thumb. I want to pinch my contacts out. And voila, done, easy. I'll show you guys one more time. This is me looking at the camera. So I use my middle finger in my left hand, and then I use my middle finger and my thumb in my right hand. So I just have to go like this, pinch, and voila, done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I also have contests going on, just look in the description below to enter. Peace out.